Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forest Camp TDS. This map presents unique challenges with its natural obstacles and hidden paths. Understanding the terrain is key to success, as strategic tower placement and managing sight lines are vital. We'll cover how to adapt your defense to exploit natural cover and prevent enemies from advancing. For the early game, focus on establishing a solid foundation. Begin by placing cost-efficient towers such as the Golden Scout or Shotgunner near the enemy entry point. Simultaneously, prioritize building farms to generate income, aiming for level 2 or 3 upgrades before placing more. This balance ensures you have both defense and a growing economy for later waves. As you move into the mid and late game, it's time to scale up your defense. Deploy high-damage towers like minigunners or accelerators, ensuring they are within the range of support towers such as the DJ booth and commander. These buffs significantly boost your tower's performance. Don't hesitate to sell your less effective early-game towers to free up space and funds for stronger defenses. Effective tower placement is critical for victory. For piercing towers like mortars or archers, position them at the end of straight sections and set their targeting to last to maximize hits on multiple enemies. Support towers, such as the DJ booth, should be placed centrally to provide their valuable buffs to the widest array of damaged towers. Always ensure your placements cover the enemy path efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.